Hi, my name is Jim Halliburton, also known as the HMO Daddy, and I've got loads of questions and responses from my viewers. Thank you very much. I appreciate it that you take the trouble to watch my content and bother to comment and ask questions. And I love to share my experience. I want to help you on your journey. So we've got Sean Smith here, and he's asking about Metrometers and saying, how do you install Metrometers into a property that already has electricity? Now, Metrometers is the type of meter I use to charge my tenants in the room for the electricity they use in that room. So they pay for the electricity they use in their own room. They don't pay for electricity in the communal area. It's a way of encouraging tenants to watch what they spend. I didn't put Metrometers in to the properties because I wanted to charge tenants. I wanted them to stop wasting electricity. On numerous occasions you go around there, find the window wide open, electric heater blowing away, the telly on, everything switched on. I'm surprised that jumbo jets don't land in some of my properties because it's so lit up like an aeroplane landing strip. As soon as I fit a Metrometer, what happens is everything is switched off. The only time you discover anything left switched on is where the tenant has, shall I say, bypassed the meter or run an extension lead from the communal areas. So that's a little sign. How do you do it? Just get hold of a free copy of my book. If you go to jim@hmodaddy.com, jim@hmodaddy.com, I've written a book on it. It shows you how you can fit the prepay meters. So jim@hmodaddy.com. I'll give you a free copy download of my book on prepay meters. It's fairly simple to do it. You should be an electrician to fit a Metrometer because you're doing electric. It's fairly simple to do, so don't worry. And it's one of the few ways I find that you can save on utilities. Save quite a substantial amount of money on the electric you use in the property. I find when we fit prepay meters into the property, the cost of electricity to me, that's the electricity going into the house, almost halves. And you get most of the money back from charging for the Metrometers. So it's a good way of saving the planet and also saving your pocket. So thank you very much, Sean, for asking that question. Please keep the questions coming.